Line wire is fed by 400 capacity payoff, which can be used for 2 or 3 days. Line wire straightening system for making the mesh flat. Wire diameter range from 3 to 6 mm, and the mesh hole size range from 50 to 300 mm. Heating wire for making the cross wire neat. The output capacity is 60 panels per hour. Cross wire is pre-cut and fed from hopper. Mesh pulling by Panasonic servo motor. The cross wire space is controlled by PLC, and you can set the hole size on the touch screen. Side wire within 1 mm. High-precision mesh cutting machine will cut the mesh automatically, and there is very small wire wasting. The finished product for construction, mining industry, building, and so on. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my video, and leave a message for more questions and your details requirements. I will back to you with the contact information you left.